I'm KP. This is my first video in YouTube. I'm gonna share some knowledge regarding BlockCloud. BlockCloud is an integration of cloud computing with blockchain. So these two combined together make the decentralized ledger in the cloud. In this video, we'll be exploring the exciting fusion of blockchain technology along with cloud computing, unlocking the new realm of transparency, efficiency, and security for the digital age. Let me briefly define you what is blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed, decentralized digital ledger that maintains a record of all transactions. In simple terms, it is an accounts book like in real-time example. So it keeps record of all the transactions that have taken place in that platform or in that application. Okay, so a blockchain is a distributed one. It will be distributed among everyone and decentralized, that among the network it will be transparent to everyone what record has been stored. And the important feature that I like the most is its immutability. Once anything stored or recorded in this book, it can't be changed. It is immutable to changes. Okay, so as you can see in the below diagram, the blockchain technology is a chain of connected blocks. So here you can see that each block has three different things: hash, data, previous hash. How these hash values are calculated? They are calculated using SHA-256 hashing algorithm. So in they are connected using hash. The previous hash will be connected to this. These combined together make a sequence. Here comes cloud computing. In this digital world, we people knowingly or unknowingly, we all use cloud computing. How? I'm using Netflix, Amazon, Gmail, and so on. So all these platforms utilizes cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is providing an on-demand services over the internet. If I have a requirement in database or software or data storage, I can utilize these cloud platforms storage space, and I have to pay only the amount I have used it. Okay, so the top 5 cloud computing platforms are cloud service providers are Google Cloud, IBM Cloud, AWS, Oracle Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. The world of cloud computing, there is no doubt that the benefits are substantial. There are like unlimited resource sharing, improved user experience, and increased commercial value. However, this innovative technology also faces its fair share of challenges. Let me explain you with some of the real-time example. So you can see this Cloudflare company, a well-known cloud security, they revealed that a critical bug in their software that resulted in privacy data leakage that affected at least 2 million websites including Uber. This incident occurred in 2016. Likewise, in March 2017, a failure in Microsoft Azure public cloud storage affected cloud-related business for more than 8 hours. In the same year, June 2017, a security breach in Amazon Web Service resulted in the exposure of personal information of 200 million US voters. So all these incidents increases the concern about trust and security in cloud. So that I found these three challenges to be solved very importantly. Loss of control. This means that the cloud users lose their control of their own data once they submitted it to the remote cloud servers. Lack of transparency. Not knowing the internal operation and mechanism, cloud computing is just like a black box. So this raises a concern over data manipulation or privacy manipulation. Lack of clear security assurance. So although all the cloud service providers declare their own SLAs, service level agreements, they are trying their full efforts to give a reliability service, security and privacy. But sometimes all these descriptions in SLAs are always vague and abstract. We have discussed what are the challenges in cloud computing, but how can we rectify it? How can we increase the trust and security in cloud computing? This can be done by integrating blockchain and cloud computing. Let me explain here how we can integrate blockchain with cloud computing. So the diagram shows involve some of the important steps. The first step is here that the data is generated and stored in the cloud, and the data is encrypted using blockchain cryptography. The same data is hashed and added to a blockchain transaction like you can see in the diagram. And the blockchain transaction is a place where it broadcasts to blockchain network. Okay? The blockchain network validates the transaction and adds it to a blockchain. The data is now stored securely and immutably on the blockchain. But next thing comes, how can I access the data that I stored you in this block cloud? To access the data, the user have to request the data from the cloud. And the cloud decrypts the data using a blockchain cryptography. That is, and then it retrieves the data from the blockchain. That after that it provides the data to the user. This is the simple steps that we can do it. Benefits of BlockCloud. A decentralized data storage. Here our data is securely stored and distributed across a network of nodes. Transparency. This provides transparency by allowing the user to verify and trace the transaction. This also increases the data security. Immutability. Once the data is stored in this blockchain or block cloud, it becomes immutable, that it cannot be altered or tampered with. Scalable. This block cloud grows along with the user's data need. Fault tolerance. So in case of failure of single point or node, this can tolerate it because it is decentralized one. More efficient ownership, tracking of goods and services. So this one eliminates the loss of control, that user can anytime can use their data. There are numerous use cases for BlockCloud. I have enlisted 4 use cases of it. The first one, smartening healthcare sector, such as EHR, electronic health record. So imagine you are going to a different city and visiting a new doctor, and the doctor needs to know your past medical history. BlockCloud can make it easy for your new doctor to access your records quickly and securely, ensuring that you get the best care. Next is supply chain management. BlockCloud can help by creating a secure record of all the steps a product goes through. This makes it easier to track things and be transparent about how products are made. For example, if we are going to buy a bag of coffee, and we could use BlockCloud to find out where the coffee beans were grown and how they were turned into our morning brew. And the third use case is smart automation home. So this can BlockCloud can help us monitor remotely and adjust our home security cameras and alarms, all while having a immutable record of these actions for added up peace of mind. That's mean when I have a stored footage of my CCTV camera, that cannot be altered or tampered with. And the final one is smart manufacturing. But in the current scenario, smart manufacturing faces a problems like centralized industrial network and third-part based authority. So the centralized manufacturing architecture leads to a lower flexibility, efficiency, and security. A possible solution can be a block cloud, like which has the ability to enhance the security and implement a decentralized architecture. And the real-time example is Rockwell Automation. This company is renowned for its industrial automation and information technology solution providing. Links are some of the reference I referred to. Watching this video, do like, share and subscribe.